welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll want to hit that subscribe button and take a chance on this channel before you leave. I have Boxycharm by Ipsy, which is about $30 a month, and you get 5 full-size items, and here she is. Let's go ahead and unbox her and see what we got. Pretty sure this is not supposed to be in there. Walmart. Okay. All right. So I am actually pretty excited about this, and I will look up prices and put them on the screen for you. This here is Dermaactives Elastin and Collagen Rejuvenation Energizing Body Lotion. And I'm kind of excited to try this, even though I have 8,000 lotions, but oh, that smells so, oh yeah, here. Here guys, want to smell it? Smells so good. Oh, I just love switching up lotions because different scents make you feel different things, and you guys get what I'm saying. Okay, next, this guy here, super cute. Who's it by? Natasha Denona Beauty. Let me go ahead and show you. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I am like, well, no, I got black on. I'll do it next time. I'll do it next time. Okay, so we have that, those 2 items. Then moving on, by Keys, Comforting Tinted Lip Balm. Can I be honest? I hate these. They all come in like gross colors and they look like a lipstick, but they're not a lipstick. And I don't know, they just never make my lips look good. So if this one does, I will be eating my words, but yeah, I mean, why pink? Why? I don't like it. No. All right, so there's that. Then, is that it? 1, 2. The guy was hiding on me. All right, so by Tarte, we have the Man-Eater Mascara. Always like getting mascaras because you go through these things too damn quickly. So we have that. And then the last thing, I am not a fan of Laura Geller, but this is a pretty palette and I probably won't use it because I have so many others to choose from. And lately I have been digging into my Natasha Denona, but let me go ahead and show you what this palette is. And I know her stuff, like I always see it in TJ Maxx, but it's priced pretty expensive, but I don't really like the brand. I haven't found anything that has wowed me. Here are the colors. Here you have your eyeshadows, you have your highlighters. They are pretty, but again, I've never found like her eyeshadows to blend well on my eyes. And maybe it's just me. If we have Laura Geller fans out there, please put that down in the comments. I have got to know. Do you guys really like her stuff? Let me know. Okay, I don't even know who she is, but maybe I'll have to research that. Let's recap. So we got the palette. We got the Natasha Denona liner. We got the tinted lip balm, the Man-Eater mascara, and then the body lotion. I think this was a good box, believe it or not. I'm actually okay with it. But I do hope we would get less like Earth Harbor products and less tinted lip balms and maybe more like lip oils or masks or stuff like that. Let me know though what you guys think down in the comments. I'll put the total value of this box on the screen for you, and I cannot wait to see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.